This is my dome gnome. He's in the rough, but these are the features: the textured beard and the mustache, the little domed cap. It has a little hook on the top, and he has pointed ears. He's made on top of a starter shape that's made out of Papier Mâché pulp dough. These can be found in my Etsy shop. It makes it very easy to start any one of these types of characters. And I move along to the next steps. I've added a bit of color, and I will begin to work out the details. We have the little ball in the middle, which is the main dome. We have the little hook on the top.